a simple trick that can save your business a lot of money. Hi, I'm Mike Zima. I'm a digital marketing expert and I'm an expat based in Mallorca, Spain. Today I'm going to talk to you about how 1 minute can save you tens of thousands of dollars. And we do this every week here at Zima Media, and we actually had 2 instances of it come up this week, so we thought we would make this video. So what happened? Well, every website online that has a shopping cart is going to use Google Analytics. Google Analytics, it's a great tool to measure where people are coming from, measure your marketing, also measure your success by showing where the money's coming from. And that's a great benefit. In this case, if you're not properly setting up Google Analytics, you're going to lose out on wrong information coming from Google Analytics. Therefore, it's going to give you wrong business information to make the wrong decisions. So let me explain. So what happens is when people are going to your store, Google Analytics is going to see them, you add to cart if that's set up, and when they check out along the way, what happens is they check out and that information is sent to a payment processor like PayPal. PayPal sees it and then sends it back to your website and woohoo! They checked out, you got paid, your customer gets what they need, and you have this fluid exchange. But what happens on the back end is if that's not tracked correctly, you're getting wrong information from Google Analytics. So what do? You have to go into the back end of Google Analytics and you have to search for the referral exclusion. So when you get to the referral exclusion list here, you'll see a field and all you do is add in domain names. So by default, Google is going to put in your website. And what happens is sometimes when people leave your website and they go to PayPal to pay you, they're supposed to come back and you should see the money's coming from PayPal. People are checking out and it's easier for you to track. But in this case, if that information isn't being sent back from PayPal, you're going to lose out and it's going to delete the data. Google is just going to think it's just coming from a random person visiting your site. It's a very simple breakdown of what's happening, but if you're not including these fields and you're not checking to see if your payment gateway is telling you what the referral exclusion lists are, you're going to have dirty data and you're going to make bad decisions on your business. And this has actually saved our customers tens of thousands of dollars by just going in there, spending a couple minutes, making sure those are set up, and voila! Google Analytics is going to do the heavy lifting and it's going to map the results to the campaigns. So now our ads clients are going to be happy, their conversions are going to increase, and we know that we can rely and depend on the data from Google Analytics. So if you have any questions about setting up your referral exclusion list, drop a comment here below and I'll talk to you soon. In the meantime, I look forward to hearing from you and make sure you subscribe here on YouTube.